So I went to Goodwill to get a keyboard for the Pi, and I ended up finding a tattoo transfer stencil machine. They used to be about $124. Looks like now they're about $69 to $150, depending on which one you get. I don't know how to use this. We didn't have these back when I worked at a tattoo shop, but these have been all over Amazon for a while. Oh, by the way, this is the bench. I have not decided how I'm going to do it, but we're going to try and see if this thing works. The $6 stencil maker. I've got some transfer paper somewhere. Hopefully, I'll look for. I don't know if I have any tattoo flash. I might just have to scribble something up really quick and just see if it works. Get the cord over here. I actually don't know if we have a plug-in at this point, because I think they're all being hogged up with stuff. Oh, is that one? What the hell was that? I unplugged something, but I'm not sure what it is. Not gonna worry about it. Interesting. Okay, so let me see if I can find my transfer paper, because I'm not really sure where it is. Okay. So when you buy these like a little cheap ass tattoo kits and things, they would come with this paper in here, and I honestly don't really know why they give it to you. So I do know that you need to pull the piece out, this piece, and then this thing really wants to curl up. Okay, so supposedly you're supposed to take it, I think, feed the yellow through, I guess. I'm not sure. If we do it wrong, we do it wrong. I don't know, that doesn't look right. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I think I've got it figured out. There's a couple of different ways people say to do it. On the videos, they show a bunch of different other crap. So basically, you could take the yellow off if you really want to, or you can basically pull the yellow through, I guess, and leave it on. What they show on Amazon, you show like this, and you put it like, I don't know, about right. There, and then you flip that back up, I guess. So I think the problem is, you do it like that, you might actually get it crooked. Here, we just did a little drawing, like, of the face, and I believe if I just feed it through this way, and it should probably print it on the bottom of the paper. And if we want it to mirror, we can do that, or we can do a photo. I don't know. I'm not sure if it needs to be on photo. Hold on. I am just going to put it on mirror, because if you... Okay, so let's see what it does. See, what I've heard that these things will do is they will basically fuck up the paper. Doesn't look like it worked to me. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Alright, so it did definitely fuck up the paper. Not sure why. Printed a little bit on there. So I guess apparently you gotta make sure it's in there really good. I wonder how it does this. It's supposed to be a thermal printer. Not very good. I would expect it to be a little bit better than that. According to the guy was saying, rip off the yellow sheet on this video I just looked at. It totally printed a line right there too. But anyway, so this paper being all screwed up like this. See, back in the day they would use this. You would hand draw on this thing. Okay. And there's some other weird shit going on here. You would hand draw on this thing. So basically, we need this thing as perfect as possible. Alright. Can we just do this? Or can we just do that? I'm hoping maybe it won't mess up the paper this time. Yeah. Sound like shit, doesn't it? Okay. Let's see what it does. Well, that time it didn't do anything. I might have had it in backwards. I'm not really sure. It's so hard to know. All right, so I checked this guy's video again, and he was. I cannot tell if he was feeding it in like this, for sure, or the other way. But I think that it was like this. Okay. And I'm going to put it on mirror, and I don't know what photo does. And then yeah, I see it's working. It even prints like the outline of the torn paper. Okay. Stop. And then we have so, you know, that would be like if you drew it up better, you know, you could transfer that. So it works. Pretty cool. A little confusing, but yeah, it works. So basically, White side needs to be facing up. You can rip the yellow off. You don't need to use the yellow. You can do whatever freaking hell you want. But yeah, so like that, I guess. Interesting. And I don't know what kind of difference do we get with this other thing. We can go ahead and try. Since I mean, like, this is like trash, so basically. And if you wanted to do it like maybe differently, you might be able to go like right here. I don't know if that will help you negotiate where it's going to print. Let's see if we try it like that. And then let's try this. Sounds a little crookedy, crunchy. It looks like it's erroring. I'm not sure I see where the hell it went. It is really strange. I don't know what the hell it just did. And you can see it printed that on there, which is something probably on the envelope. That is really weird. Why did it print that big thing? The other problem, this thing didn't move. So it printed that. Alright, let's try this again. This thing is really hard to pop open. So, let's try and get it centered. And then we know that we have to put it in a certain way. Let's try it all the way over here. Use the rest of the paper up. I'm not really sure what happened here, because it looks like we must have an error. Something. Okay. It's not doing anything now, so this thing might be bad. Let me try finding something else, just out of curiosity. Maybe something goofy that I could print. Trying to find like a piece of paper that's got something on it of interest. Let's just do something stupid like this Walmart receipt. Let's see what happens. What's it gonna do? Copy. It does appear to be going through crooked. I don't know if it did anything. To me, it looks like it doesn't work. Oh, wow. Look at it. Walmart. Oh, that's funny. Alright, guys, so I'd say it works. Oh man, that's hilarious. Um, I wonder how the hell it pulls that off. Like, it just copies it. That's like so amazing. Nuts. We hold it up like this. Totally. Okay, so you guys see it. Here. Alright. So, I bought that. And, cheap $2 Dell keyboard, or HP keyboard. I've got another computer anyway, so I totally needed one, but, I needed one for the ham clock. So, yep.